Hello and welcome to the tutorial on how to use the Medical Center Library page and the College of Medicine Library Guide. At the top of the Medical Center Library page, these tabs are listed: Search, Library Catalog, e-journals, and databases. These can be used to search the library's holdings. Underneath, in the About Medical Center Library section, lists the email associated with our reference department. Any questions can be sent to this email. Underneath the About Medical Center Library section, we have the Library Links section. This contains the ILLiad link, which takes you to the Interlibrary Loan Department page. If we do not have access to a book, or the full text of an article, you can submit an ILL request and they will do their best to deliver that material to you. There is also a list of selected databases, which includes Cochrane Library, LexiComp, UptoDate, amongst others. To the right of the selected databases, we have the Request a Literature Search button, which you can use to request a literature search, as well as other database icons, which includes PubMed, CINAHL Browsing, and others. To access the College of Medicine Library Guide, we need to scroll back up to the top of the Medical Center Library page. Underneath the MCL title, select the Guide tab. Next, we're going to select the College of Medicine Library Resources Guide. The home page has 4 different categories: medical student, resident, clinician, and medical educator. We're going to go to the resident tab. This page contains tutorials on the new PubMed and how to access UptoDate. There is also the link on how to request a literature search on this page as well. The drop-down menu has a tab for point of care and library databases, Board Review, Browsing, which hosts the library's e-journals, mobile apps, clinical guidelines, multimedia resources, and highlighted ebooks. Finally, there are links on the right-hand side of the page that will take you to other guides. An important one is Endnote Help, which is a citation management software that is provided through the university. This guide will teach you how to use Endnote. There are also links to the database searching skills page and the research and publishing in the health sciences guide. Finally, there are the accounts to set up tab, which will take you to the research and publishing in health sciences guide. There are important instructions on how to set up an interlibrary loan account, how to download the LibKey Nomad extension, which will take you from the full text immediately to the article. There's also how to create an ORCID account, how to set up browsing on a mobile device, and also how to create a MyNCBI/PubMed account and a CINAHL account. Overall, the resident page contains quite a bit of information that you will need, but if you have any more questions, please feel free to email the McLib reference email listed on the homepage of the Medical Center Library. Thank you.